Welcome to the project demonstration of home automation using ESP32. So in this project we are going to control these different devices. So these four are 230 volts operated and these four are DC operated. So in this one we are going to controlling these 8 devices through ESP32, and the inputs are, one is for the voice based inputs, which is Google Assistant application based, and another is Blink app controlling system, and also manually we can control this from the switches. So here the main purpose to control this from anywhere in the world using a Blink app and voice commands in through IP address, and the status will be monitored continuously on the Blink app. So before here the connections made are like, so here we are using ESP32, so which has inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we are making use of the Wi-Fi to control these devices, and the connections relays are connected to the 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5, 25, 26 pins of this ESP32, and switches. These 8 switches are connected 13, 12, 14, 27, 33, 32, 15, 4, and these switches directly connected to the ESP32, as we can enable the inbuilt pull-up resistors for this push buttons. So that's why no need of any pull-up resistors connected, and we are going to control this 8 relay board through this ULN2803 driver circuit. So from this the ESP32 can give the signals to this one. So the purpose of this ULN2803 is, so these are the relays. Control voltage is 12 volts. So when we provide the 12 volts to this relay will get switched on, and it will switch on these loads. Okay, so for that purpose we need to provide the 12 volts. Though the ESP32 can't provide the 12 volts power supply triggering voltage, that's why we are going to making use of ULN2803. So ULN2803 will get the 12 volts from here, from this regulated power supply board. So when ESP32 trigger this particular pin of the ULN2803, then the opposite side particular pin will be triggered and the voltage will be given to the particular relay. So here coming to this regulated power supply board, so this is main purpose of this board is to provide the 12 volts power supply to this relay board, as well as 5 volts power supply for this 4 DC fans. So from here we are going to provide the 230 volts to this transformer. So it will do the 230 volts to 12 volts of AC, and on this board there will be a 4 diodes connected in a pattern to get the pulsating DC, that is a full wave bridge rectifier, and after that filter is there. So with the help of this capacitor we will get the pure DC of 12 volts that was given to the relays through this ULN2803, and after this 7805 regulator we will get the 5 volts, and that was given to these DC loads of fan. And coming to this, this is the main power supply section for the ESP32, which can provide the 5 volts 2.4 amps as we require more current for that, and this is current supply for the loads directly. And so before switching on this switch we need to enable a hotspot in your phone. So it should be named project 44464 without any capital letters, without any space, and here the password is 123456789. Then switch on the hotspot as well as data is very important, and after that you can open the Blink app in your phone. Blink app, just log into the Blink app with your credentials, and there will be a symbol of red color, nothing but the system is not connected to the internet. And as well as we need to install one more application for the voice command inputs. So this is the one more application. So here, and we need to install one more network analyzer. So this is the network analyzer app. So this is the icon in the Play Store. So the purpose of this network analyzer is to get the IP address of our ESP32 in order to enter the particular IP address in the voice app. So then switch on the main power supply only for the ESP32 initially, because it has to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So then there will be a red indication, power relay indication. When it's connected to the hotspot, then we can see the blue light is indicated on the ESP32. So when the blue light is there, so it's connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot. And now go to the application network analyzer and go to the LAN scan. There we will get the IP address of our ESP32. So note down this IP address 192.168.45.107. and in our app 45.107. So make sure that 45.107, right? So keep that as it is and go to the Blink app. You can see now the red mark is gone. Now we can controlling that, right? We need to power the remainings also now. Okay, and switch on this, right? So let us see the bulbs. 1, 2, 3. So without internet, if you want to control the devices, if you switch off the data or hotspot in your phone also, we can control the particular devices from these control buttons, as well as same appeared on your phone also. We can access in multiple phones. Just I am logging to the Blink app from my another phone. So this is the in data, so we can see this. I'll keep it here, right? And now, so we can see that. So is the home automation directly, right? So we can control the Blink app as well as local switches manually. And coming to the voice app, so if we give the voice command, it will be appeared parallelly on the Blink app also the status. So now as we enter the IP address, and you can see the other phone also. So here the voice commands, I forgot to show you this. So these are the 16 voice commands: switch on the light and switch on the bed light, table light, LED light, fan, and also let us will connect the bulbs here. So now we have replaced the normal 0 watts bulb with our main bulbs, like so it's going to be the lights, bed lights, table lights, and LED lights, as well as also the fans are noted as a fan, table fan, bedroom fan, and DC fan. So now let us see from the voice command inputs. Switch on the light.
Okay.
Okay. Switch on the light.
Okay.
Okay. Switch on the bed lights.
Okay.
Switch on the fan. So try again. Switch on the fan.
Okay.
Switch on the table fan.
Okay.
Switch on the table lights.
Okay.
Switch off the lights.
Okay.
Switch on the light.
Okay.
Switch off the light.
Okay.
Switch on the LED light.
Okay.
Switch on the table light.
Okay.
Switch on the bedroom fan.
Okay.
Switch on the DC fan.
Okay.
Switch off the DC fan.
Okay.
Switch off the bedroom fan.
Okay.
Switch off the table fan.
Okay.
Switch off the fan.
Okay.
So we can see the light LED indication on the relay board also. Switch off the LED lights.
Okay.
Switch off the table lights.
Okay.
So scheme lights. Switch off the table light.
Okay.
Switch off the bed light.
Okay.
So in this manner we can control. And switch on the light.
Okay.
So I actually forgot to show you the Blink app, the status also. It will be updated same manner when we controlling from the manually also. Switch on the bed lights.
Okay.
So we can see that same parallelly updated. Switch off the light.